So how's it going, everyone? So today I had a small red day and the market was pretty choppy and I really caught myself over trading today. I took like 4 or 5 trades and only one of them ended up being a decent winner. And it's days like today that remind me to wait for high quality setups to trade. And I've really noticed that the less trades I take, the more money I end up making. And if I ever take like more than 3 trades in just an hour, then I usually end up being red on the day. So when it comes to trading, just remember that less is more. And sometimes it only takes one good trade to make the day. It's just something to learn from and something that I need to improve on. So enjoy the live trading. Spy's forming a 1 minute bull flag. Going for it. If we don't hold this level, I would just get out. I might be a little early to this, but I do like the bounce. Yeah, I'm getting out. Little small loss right there. But I do think we're pulling back in now. But I would be interested in taking this again. Oh, I'm going long. This is looking like a bull flag. This is also like a break and retest of pre-market highs. Okay, yeah, taking my hands off. That sucks. Kind of want to go for the opening range breakdown. Going short. Last trade of the day, pretty much 100%. I've got 2 contracts right now. Here comes the move down, I think. There we go. It's probably going to bottom wick, though. LOL. Just got out of 1. I'm not losing on this other contract, so... There you go. Nice move down. Can we see a little more movement? Maybe down to pre-market lows? That'd be awesome. There we go. If this candle flips green, I might just get out. That was a sharp move down. I wonder if that wasn't news, was it? I'm taking profits. Okay, so that was probably too many trades for only a little over an hour of trading. Yeah, we did alright in that last one, so to be only down 1%, not bad. But yeah, I need to be done for the day. So now to break down these trades. Here again we have SPY. Let me go ahead and make this full screen. And the first trade, again I was watching the 1 minute time frame, which I really don't want to build a habit of doing that, but I had some FOMO seeing nothing but green candles right away, so I wanted to get in on a slight pullback. So this was a similar setup to what I took yesterday. Basically, we had a 1 minute pullback to the 9 EMA, and when I saw this bounce off the 9 EMA, that's when I went long with 1 cheap contract, anticipating a move and a continuation to the upside. And I really wouldn't say that this was the worst setup ever or even a bad setup. It just unfortunately didn't work. We just didn't have enough volume here. You can see on this candle, the volume was a lot lighter and it really just didn't go. Now, the second trade was also, I was going for essentially a break and retest of the pre-market high, and this was on the 2 minute time frame. So if we zoom in a little bit, you can see that this line right here represents pre-market high, and I thought of this next trade as a break and retest. So we had the break up through pre-market high, and we came back down, and then you can see this candle just nearly missed it, and then it started going up, and this was a pretty strong candle initially, So I went long here, anticipating that this would have been, or to me, this essentially looked like a 2-minute bull flag, which I really like to trade. And you can see we got a small breakthrough of the flag, and unfortunately there was just not enough volume, not enough buyers, and I had to respect my stop loss at pre-market high. So unfortunately I had to sell for another small loss. Now at this point I was a little frustrated that neither one of those trades had continuation, and so I think this next trade was kind of a revenge trade. It was on the 1 minute. And I noticed that this candle was so strong, I thought for sure we would break the low of day. You can see this was kind of an area of confluence. So we had a few touches there in the pre-market. And after this green candle closed, this candle formed and started to move down. So I was anticipating the break down. So I went short, which again, to me, in hindsight, this doesn't look like it would have been the worst setup. But the market was just so choppy today. I mean, just look at what it's doing now. I mean, this is ugly chop. This is super low volume. So I probably just should have been more patient. But yeah, when this started to get bought back up, I just cut it for another small loss. So yeah, it's never fun to start the day 0 for 3. I probably should have stopped there. And I did for a while. I was like, okay, I'm sensing a little bit of frustration. So I'm like, yeah, I need to take my hands off the mouse and just wait for a good quality setup or not trade again at all. And then I waited till we came down near the lower day once again. And I'm going to break this down to the 2-minute time frame. So here we go. Yeah, so this was my winner on the day. We had a sharp move down and then a pullback into the 2-minute 9 EMA. And when this candle closed red and the next one opened, I thought, okay, this looks like a nice bear flag pattern to the downside. So I went short right here with one contract. And then as soon as we approached the low day, I added a second contract. And then when we got a small move down, I sold one and I held on to our runner essentially, and then we got another sharp move to the downside. I thought we could get to the support level right here at around 386, but unfortunately we did not. So when this bottom wicked, I just sold for a small profit. So yeah, I probably took a few too many trades today, but that's just something I'm trying to work on, is to not overtrade, not revenge trade, and only focus on A+ setups. But yeah, I kept the losses small today. And this got me some of the loss back. So if you go and take a look at the account, we're currently sitting at 540. So it basically gave back our small green day from yesterday. Only a 1% loss today, which is not bad. I try to keep it within like 2 or 3%. So yeah, not the best day, but not too bad either. So yeah, that's really all I have for you today. I just wanted to say thank you guys again so much for the support on this channel recently. I'm really blown away by how well the last couple of videos did, and it's very motivating to keep making this type of content. I want to do, I set my goals at least 3 videos per week. I might just start doing one every trading day, so I might do more than 3 per week, we'll see. But yeah, I might be on track to hit my goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so feel free to follow me along my trading journey and just help support the channel. I would really appreciate it. With that being said, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.